guys, I'm your Daksha teacher. I'm going to teach business studies for grade 8 students. Today we are going to do external factors. So you can refer your textbooks page number 99. What do you mean by external factors? External factors are the factors that which affects the business or influence the business that negatively or positively. It can be a positive change or it can be a negative change. And these factors are not inside the business. These are the factors which is outside the business. And we can't control any external factors because it's outside the business. So we are going to discuss that in the 4 broad areas. First one, socially. What do you mean by socially? It's our social factors, maybe age, gender, something like socially. So it's real with the people of the country. So first point is increased consumer awareness. What do you mean by increased consumer awareness? That means when a consumer is buying a product, you can't force them because they are well educated. We have so many access now. When there's a product, they can go for a Google search. Say this marker pen is there, so they can see how much the marker pen prices, who are the people who are distributing, what are the competitions they are having. So they have so many access to the information. So you can't sell that products unwantedly because they have so many information sources nowadays. And one is comes to changing demand patterns. What do you mean by changing demand patterns? When people's lifestyle changes, their demand also changes. When their demand changes, it influences our business. For an example, now during this pandemic, we don't go outside. So we order the food from the Uber or Pick Me Foods. So what happens to our demand? So the restaurants factor, hotels and all. We don't go there. We don't do physical visits. So we order it. So demand for the online orders will increase. So online business will go for a positive changes. Then what about the increasing in women employment? What is women employment? When more and more women are working, there is no one to cook at home. So there is an increase in the daycare centers, increase in fast food industries. There will be more and more restaurants and hotels to make our life easy. And once it comes to the more part-time workers, what do you mean by part-time workers? There are people who do the work within their specific time. So when that happens, there is they get an income that will rise their living standards. Then once it comes to technological, what do you mean by technological? That's the improvements in the advanced technologies. So it affects the sectors, primary, secondary and the tertiary sectors. What do you mean by primary sector? It is the agricultural sector. So all the machineries, tractors that we use and the drones that we use to water the plants, all these comes under the primary sector. And then it comes to the secondary sector. Secondary sector is the manufacturing or the construction sector. So how does it influence the external factors? When there is an improvement in the manufacturing sector, it affects the external factors. Then we have tertiary sectors. Tertiary means it's a service sector. So technologies is influencing the tertiary sector. For an example, online teaching. So because of a technology, our service of teaching has improved because of these smart boards and all these videos. Then we come to the environmental. What do you mean by environmental? How it affects the business? First one is by global warming. When it comes to global warming, it's about the changes in the weather patterns and the climates. So when there is a change in weather patterns and the climates, we call as global warming. And then we have the habitat destruction. That means destroying the lives of the wild animals. For example, recently we had a fire in Australian bush. So what do you mean by that? There are so many animals that destroyed because of fire. Then that influence the external factors of a business. So that we call as habitat destruction. Then we have resource depletion. That means we run out of our resources. For an example, nowadays we have insufficient oxygen. We are running out of oxygen. That we call as resource depletion. All this affects our business. And these things we can't control. It's beyond our control. That's why we call it as external. Then we come to the political. Political environment also we can't control. because there are pressure groups. What do you mean by pressure groups? Groups that we can't influence. There are certain people who influence our businesses. For an example, there are a group who is against smokers. So these smokers, they will definitely negatively influence our tobacco industry. They might do posts or they might write articles, they might advertise tobacco as a negative. So it will negatively affect the tobacco industry. And these pressure groups are very independent and we can't influence those. So external factors, we can't influence them and we can't control them. And these can affect our business either positively or negatively. And we have social factors, technological factors, environmental factors and political factors. All these can make a positive impact or negative impact in a business. I hope you guys understood the lesson today. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you all.